Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 21, almost Cookmas time. Thank you guys again for hanging out with me this whole Cookmas series. For today's recipe, it's going to be pretty simple, yet a little complex. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe for a delicious Donair sauce. So I'm sure a lot of you know what Donair meat is, and this is definitely the sauce that goes with it. But you can also use this sauce for many other things like pizza and even chicken wings. So I'm just going to show you guys how to make the sauce, and then probably in another video I'm going to show you how I accompany my Donair sauce. So if you guys are excited about this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.